Hello everyone, this is our laboratory number 1. The title is Oobleck. But before we go on to our experiment, these are the members of the group 10. First, Philip Jan Ranis. Second, Jari R. Corpus. And lastly, Danmar Jan Mamale, and we are from BS Abe 2C. These are the materials. This subject is fluid mechanics. Now let's go to the procedures. Step number 1. Put 1 cup of cornstarch in a bowl and add 1 to 2 drops of food coloring. Food coloring is optional. Step number 2. Slowly add up to 3/4 cup of water while mixing until all the cornstarch is wet. Step number 4. Keep adding water until Oobleck feels like a liquid when mixed slowly. Step number 5. Oobleck is done when it is no longer powdery, needs more water but doesn't splash when hit with a spoon, needs more cornstarch. Use the list you made in step 1 to systematically test whether Oobleck behaves like a solid or a liquid. It may be helpful to also test a bowl of pure water for a comparison with true liquid. And for the last step, put the Oobleck into a Ziploc bag.